So I've been spending the last couple of weeks recently doing this log burner. I've just been doing a load of work on the chimney, making it wider so it will take the wood burner that I bought. So as you can see, it fits in there nicely. The job's all finished now. I'm just waiting for the oak beam to come. And while I've been getting on with that, I've had something very special delivered for the TZR 253MA. So as a few you'll know that follow me, I've been looking for pipes for this bike for quite a while. I've been umming and ahhing which ones to buy. I've contacted different firms. I've had a chat with a few different businesses on the pipes. I was looking at TZR. They're releasing pipes for the 3MA. I've had TZR before. They're a good pipe, good performance pipe. The only thing that put me off with the TZR exhaust was when I had them on another bike, they didn't last long on that bike. They rotted out. I mean, they were a thin pipe. They are a performance pipe. They perform absolutely fantastic, but for me, it didn't last as long as I hoped that it would have lasted. Nothing to say that these new pipes are making for the 3MA. They could be a lot better. It was a few years ago that I had one on a bike of mine. Another set of pipes I looked at was Gibson's, but for me, again, to have them made for the bike, they needed the bike, and they're quite away from where I live. I'd have to have took the bike down to them for them to make them, especially for the bike. And another thing that put me off there was the exhausts they get made and they're in steel, so they need painting. So I decided, after speaking to and from with Oliver Lomas from JL Exhausts, talking to him about these pipes, I decided that I wanted to do a deal with him and put these exhausts on my bike. So I'll unbox them and I'll see what he sent me and see what they look like. I've been looking forward to this for a long time. I can't wait to get them on my bike. So I'll give them an unbox and we'll see what they look like. So I've just been kicked out of the front room by the wife, and I'm now going to do the unbox in the garage. So I opted for stainless for these pipes. Look at that. So I've just got one of these out the packaging, so you can see there, because I was struggling on with one hand. You can see I went for the carbon fibre, the green and black carbon fibre. I think those are black and white. There's a couple of options, and I think you can get them in just alloy. And that cap there, there's different end caps you can get for them. I think this is a classic cap. These are the t-shirts that were very kindly thrown in by Oliver Lomas. Might get my lass to wear one and a little thong and sit on the bike when I get it all painted up. But then hell might freeze over. So yeah, all looks good. JL Originals. So I can't wait to get these on the bike, and definitely hear what they sound like. I bet they sound a lot nicer than the pipes that are on it now. Looking a bit shabby as well, those. So I've just unwrapped one of those expansion chambers to take a better look at. You see on this one here, they've wrapped up like a fitting kit there, So they're hooked on with springs on the end. Some lovely welding. So these are the stainless ones again. Lovely. Can't wait to get them on the bike. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please give the video a like if you like the video, and definitely please subscribe. I've got lots of different stuff coming up, lots of projects coming up, and this bike's going to look absolutely superb once I get it all painted. So I'm going to leave this video there, and I'm going to come back to you with another video with the exhaust pipes fitted to the bike. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe.